Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. The man in the image is working in a modern office. He is wearing a dark suit, a white shirt, and a tie. He is sitting at a large desk with a laptop, documents, and a notebook. The office looks clean, organized, and professional. There is a large window behind him, and it shows a beautiful city view. The man is writing important notes in his notebook. He looks focused and serious because he is working on an important project. His desk has charts and reports that help him make good decisions. There is also a coffee cup on the desk, which may help him stay energized during the day. The office environment is calm and comfortable. The bookshelf behind him contains books and decorative items. The motivational sign on the wall reminds him to stay disciplined and dedicated. The natural light coming through the window makes the office bright and pleasant. This image represents professionalism, responsibility, and success. The man appears to be a manager, executive, or business professional. He is working hard to achieve his goals and improve his company. His dedication and focus show the importance of discipline and continuous effort in a successful career. Basic vocabulary. English. Office. Suit. Desk. Laptop. Notebook. Project. Focused. Report. Decision. Bookshelf. Discipline. Dedicated. Professional. Success. Goal. Intermediate English. The image shows a professional businessman working in a modern corporate office. He is dressed in an elegant dark suit and is carefully writing notes while reviewing important documents. His organized workspace includes a laptop, business reports, and a notebook, suggesting that he is involved in planning or managing a significant project. The office environment reflects professionalism and productivity. Large windows allow natural light to enter the room, creating a comfortable atmosphere for work. The city skyline visible in the background adds a sense of ambition and achievement. The bookshelf contains several books and decorative objects that contribute to the sophisticated appearance of the office. The businessman appears highly focused on his responsibilities. He is likely analyzing information, preparing reports, or making strategic decisions for his organization. His serious expression demonstrates commitment and determination. The motivational message displayed on the wall highlights important values such as discipline, consistency, and dedication. This image symbolizes leadership, hard work, and personal growth. Successful professionals often develop strong organizational skills and maintain a positive attitude toward challenges. The man's actions suggest that he understands the importance of careful planning and continuous learning. Overall, the image presents an inspiring example of a professional environment where dedication, knowledge, and responsibility contribute to success. It reminds us that achieving career goals requires effort, concentration, and the willingness to improve every day. Intermediate vocabulary. English. Businessman. Corporate. Workspace. Productivity. Ambition. Achievement. Responsibilities. Analyze. Strategic. Commitment. Determination. Leadership. Organizational. Challenges. Concentration. Advanced English. The image portrays a highly professional executive working diligently in a contemporary office environment. Seated at an elegant desk, he is reviewing documents and recording notes with careful attention to detail. His formal attire, composed of a tailored suit and tie, reflects confidence, authority, and professionalism. The modern workspace is thoughtfully organized, featuring a laptop, analytical reports, and business materials that suggest a demanding and intellectually engaging role. Natural light streams through the expansive windows, illuminating the office and providing a panoramic view of the city. This setting conveys a sense of aspiration, progress, and professional accomplishment. The carefully arranged bookshelf and motivational decor contribute to an atmosphere that encourages productivity, discipline, and continuous self-improvement.
The executive appears deeply engaged in decision-making processes that may influence the future direction of his company. His focused posture and serious expression demonstrate a strong commitment to excellence and accountability. Effective leaders understand that success is built upon preparation, strategic thinking, and consistent effort. The image captures these qualities remarkably well. Furthermore, the scene highlights the importance of maintaining a structured work environment. Organization enhances efficiency, minimizes distractions, and supports better problem-solving abilities. In today's competitive business world, professionals must continually adapt to new challenges, develop innovative solutions, and pursue lifelong learning. Overall, this image serves as a powerful representation of leadership, perseverance, and professional achievement. It illustrates how dedication, expertise, and disciplined work habits can contribute to long-term success and personal fulfillment in a competitive corporate environment. Advanced vocabulary, executive diligently contempo, rare authority analytical aspiration, ACO empilishment, accountability excellence, STR strategic. Thinking efficiency distractions problem, solving perseverance expertise innovative fulfillment competitive.
Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.